Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Workspace, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Google Workspace. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be directed to the Google login page. Here, enter your Google Workspace email address. After typing your email, click on the Next button. On the next screen, enter your password. Make sure to double-check your password for accuracy. Once you have entered your password, click on the Next button. If your information is correct, you will be logged into Google Workspace. In case of an error, a prompt will appear indicating the issue. Follow the instructions provided to troubleshoot and regain access. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to complete that step. An authentication code will be sent to your registered device. Retrieve the code and enter it in the provided field. Once you have successfully entered the code, click on Verify. After verification, you will be granted access to your Google Workspace. From there, you can access all your apps and tools. Make sure to log out when you are done for security reasons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.